When you step into the world of web development, one of the first tools you encounter is HTML. However, a common question that arises among beginners is HTML a programming language? Let's dive deep into this topic to clear up any confusions. So what is HTML? HTML basically is hypertext markup language. It is the standard language used to structure and display content on the web. HTML uses elements to define the structure of a web page. For example, here is a basic HTML document. So why isn't HTML a programming language? To answer the main question, no, HTML is not a programming language. And here is why. Number 1. No logic or algorithms. Programming languages like Python or JavaScript allow you to write logics. For example, loops, conditional and functions. On the other hand, HTML. It is purely a markup language. It defines the structure of content but doesn't include logic. Number 2. Static nature. HTML is static. It doesn't execute commands or make decisions. For instance, if you want your web page to display different messages based on user input, you would need a programming language like JavaScript to handle that logic. And number 3. No variables or data manipulation. HTML doesn't support variables, data manipulation or dynamic operation. Despite not being a programming language, HTML plays a crucial role in web development. Like, it organizes content into sections, headings and many more. And it also allows you to add images, videos, audio files to your web page, and it often collaborates with CSS for styling and JavaScript for interactivity. You cannot imagine a website without HTML. So why people confuse HTML with a programming language? Because it has entry-level accessibility. HTML is often the first technology introduced to beginners, leading many to assume it's a programming language. So to conclude this video, HTML is not a programming language, but it is a fundamental skill for any web developer. If you found this video helpful, make sure to like this video and click on this video to know more about web development.